Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to see locked Facebook profile photo. For that, firstly, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Here now at the search bar, you can search any one of the person that has their account locked. Now, in order to see the profile photo, there you can see three dot icon at the top right. You can tap on that. And there at the last, you can see profile link. You can simply tap on that. Now the profile link has been copied. Now either you can go to your Google Chrome or your Safari if you are an iPhone user. For this video, I will go for Safari. Now there at the search bar, you can simply paste the profile URL. And there you need to make some changes. Here you can follow me accordingly. There you need to remove this www and enter mbasic and search. Now you will be led to this kind of page. Now you can simply tap on the profile. And now here you can see list of options presented, either to share, save to photos or copy offset. Now you can simply tap on save to photos and the photo will be saved to your album and you can simply see their profile picture. And this is how you can see locked Facebook profile photo. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.